Hey Mike, grab a wheelbarrow.
That's something better than a wheelbarrow. Hello, this is Mike with Skolton's Equipment, and today we're going to be looking at the newest JCB we got on the lot, and it's also the smallest JCB I've ever seen. It is the JCB HTD-5E dumpster. It is an electric crawler wheelbarrow, for lack of a better word, but you might just think, well, who needs an electric wheelbarrow? I'll have my own handle wheelbarrow. But, well, this one's got a little bit more capacity. It can carry about almost 1,100 pounds. It's only 2 feet 6 inches wide, and it can dump into this dump truck. Your wheelbarrow can't do that. So there's a few advantages of this machine. It can fit in doorways. It can lift a lot of weight. It can carry it for you, so you don't have to carry it on your back. It's really stable because it's got 2 tracks. It has tracks, so it has good flotation. There's a lot of things that more than maybe meets the eye right initially with this machine, and it's electric. That being said, I know everyone's going to ask, well, how long will the battery last? JCB claims it will last a full day. They don't give an actual stat on that, a full work day. But the cool thing is, it's only a 90-minute charge time if you have 220 voltage on the plug-in. It's double that, I believe, on 120. And the other cool thing is this plugs into a normal outlet in your house. It doesn't need a special charger. The charger's all built into it. It's just looks like an extension cord that plugs into this socket. It comes with the machine. The application for this, of course, is demos of houses. This will go in a house. It's not super heavy, so it won't crush your floors or anything. It lifts a lot of weight. Very handy. It's very specific to what you'd use it for. So not a lot of people are going to come out, I'm going to buy that and use it every day. It's probably a situational use, and that's why we ordered a few of these and we're putting them in our rental fleet. We're also going to have a few for sale, maybe for other rental yards that want to buy them, or if you do have a specific use, we're going to have them for sale. But anyways, I just want to show you what this thing will do. Of course, I shoveled that all in there by hand. We'll see if we'll lift it into this dump trailer, which makes this wheelbarrow unique. The fact that you don't have to reload your load into a dump trailer. If this was a traditional wheelbarrow, you'd have to shovel it all in, or figure out a different way how to get the wheelbarrow with a bunch of buddies and dump it in, which doesn't seem very efficient. Anyways, I'm going to show you how this works. I'm very impressed with this machine. It's really quiet, it's really sleek, and it's fun to drive, and it's just cool. Come take a look. So to turn it on, you turn the key. Of course, it doesn't crank over and start up. You do have to hold the green button until you'll hear a fan running, and that's really, I think, the hydraulic pump. There it goes. This machine's got 2 operational speeds. It's got a turtle and a rabbit. Very simple. We're in turtle right now. If you flip it to rabbit, you hear the pump wind up a little bit. You're gonna have more speed on the controls, more power, more speed on travel. And it also has another speed control for travel, and that's this lever right here, which gives you 2 times the speed travel versus 1 time. You can use that in combination with your turtle and your rabbit. For lifting this, let's see if it does it in turtle, because that's the lowest pump volume that this thing's going to be spinning. We'll see if it lifts it. This can lift 1,100 pounds. We'll see if it does it. We're in low idle. Pulling the lever back, and it lifts it. That's pretty cool. It's not super quick. If you want to see, for instance, we move it up to high speed, see if it lifts it any faster. Of course it does. The one thing I wanted to try while running this machine is, will it feel unstable with this much weight in it driving? Because I don't know if it will. Never done it. So we're going to go nice and slow, hopefully. Just run these controls. I don't want to hit something. We're going to dump it in this dump trailer. Oop, tapped it. Tapped it. Scratch and dent model. All right, now we're going to dump it. Now this is the part that I kind of want to stand on the back. I don't know. It's supposed to be able to dump it without anyone. This is actually optional to not even use it. So I don't think you need to stand on the back, but for the physics in my head, I'm gonna be back adding a little counterbalance for the tip. And we're gonna dump it. I think everything's clearing for the most part. I probably could have got a little closer. I would say 98% of it made it in there. And the other 2% might have been operator error, but that's pretty good. I'm pretty impressed actually. That's a lot of weight. That was a full, that was more than a wheelbarrow load, let's put it that way. Of course, then getting away from it here, I'm gonna go back down, and then, whoops. We don't wanna do that. Gotta go down first. Woo! There we go. And go back and get the next load. So I'm going to show you now what the different speeds look like. There's actually technically 3 travel speeds. We're in Turtle right now, speed 1, and it's not something I'd ever go win a race with. It's more for if you're getting close to a building and you don't want a lot of speed. You can easily really finesse the machine into place. It's not a speed I would use very much. Rabbit, more of probably a speed most people are going to want to use. It does go a little faster. There's one more speed. It's speed 2 of Rabbit. You push this lever forward, and now we're going to take off even faster yet. It's got good speed to travel across a yard or get to point A to point B. It still turns in this speed. Actually turns really well. And I know some people are looking at this like, oh, this is gonna rip up my lawn. This is a pretty nice section of grass here, and I just turned on it. And yeah, it may have tore it a little bit. It's a pretty small footprint per square inch once you think about the tracks, what this thing actually weighs. It hardly weighs anything. I think it weighs 2,000 pounds with 1,000 pounds in it. So it's only a 1,000-pound machine plus the operator. Anyways, that's how she travels. And you can dump it. You don't have to be in the high spot to dump it. You can dump it right here if you want. So as I said, you don't have to be standing on the platform. I might like to myself, but you don't have to. So I'm gonna show you how it looks like if you're just walking behind it like a normal wheelbarrow. It's actually pretty comfortable because you're not like bouncing and trying to hold on. You're just walking with it and holding the levers and turning it. Woo! It's actually kind of fun. I'm gonna put it in 2-speed now, and this is more of like it's still a walk. You don't even have to jog. This is the highest speed. Some people might actually prefer to use it without the platform. I could see a case both ways. Anyways, this JCB HTD-5E is currently available. We just got 3 in. We're planning on putting 2 in rental, 1 at each store, and then we're gonna put the other one up for sale. It's priced online at schoolsequipment.com. You can check it out what the price is. We're also gonna put these in rental, like I said. And keep in mind, this can fit in a house, demo projects, remodels. The opportunities for this machine to help you out, you might not initially think about, but because it can fit through a doorway, the possibilities can be kind of endless. Anyways, this is going to be rented on our site, schoolsequipment.com, and also for sale, both. And for the first month, we're going to have some promo deals on it. See the link below for daily rates. They're going to be discounted to get these machines out there in your hands so you can give us some feedback on how much you liked them. Maybe some critiques if you have any. But anyways, if you like this video, please like it, subscribe to our channel. We really appreciate it. We're gonna have more content coming soon, and we like to get your feedback, and we enjoy that you watch our channel. And thank you, and see you again next time.